So now we're starting on the other side, doing the edging so that hopefully they will eventually match after we extended the other one. So it's a big mess. And then while I was gone, all this got extended out probably by another at least 2-3 feet. And then the extension got done. Just got to add more dirt in there, clean it all up, move some of the flowers around, and plant more. But again, everything looks pretty ugly right now, but it will look nice in the end. That I guarantee. Looking at my little trees that are doing good. It's funny, this here little plant here is only good for 30 below, and it survived over 40 below for the second winter. It's a black lace. And the lilac is going to bloom here pretty soon. It's just starting. Just starting. Can't wait. And the apple trees are getting ready to bloom. The oak tree getting ready to bloom, or to bud out rather. I planted a few tomatoes down there today. Got some garlic and onions coming up there. And this apple tree is actually getting ready to bloom. Not quite ready yet. Soon. And I guess I'll take you on a little tour here. Again, everything's kind of a mess, but it's still pretty early. Have some lilies coming up, a rose bush, a little kiwi down there, delphinium. I forgot what the yellow flower's called, like a globe flower. Lupins, another rose bush, dianthus, hen and chicks, stone crop. Oh yeah, and I forgot about my little tulips. It actually came up and they're blooming. This is my grape. That was my dad's. I actually had planted it in Kelowna, and then I brought it here to Leduc County. This is the second year, and it's growing. Got Shasta daisy, or just regular daisy. Some more tulips, bee balm. I don't know what that is. It might be a weed. Anyway, I weeded in here last week, but sure as heck can't tell. Anyway, this is monkshood. My sister gave me when we moved. Wow, this wasn't here last week. This looks like part of a tree. And some weeds and some lilies. The upside down lilies, tiger lilies. More lupins. And of course, the raspberries. We moved some along the fence. Still got to dig out a bunch of these. Still coming up everywhere. Trying to get rid of them. Some onions in here that are doing really well. Some, forget what kind of geranium it is down there, but it gets pink flowers on it. Got chives. Looks like they need to be cut back. More lilies. More onions. A few pansies that came up from over the winter. More lilies coming up. I absolutely love lilies. And that is a hosta. That is a painted daisy. This is the rhubarb, which looks like I've got to pull that seed stuff. It's already gone to seed. Got to get rid of that. And then that behind it, I forgot, it's a yarrow. This gets really pretty pink and different colored flowers on it. More of the geranium that gets pink flowers. Some more lilies. I think these are day lilies. And one of these, I think it was that one, was an absolute gorgeous yellow. It was huge. It was bigger than my hand last year. So that was kind of cool. And I guess that's about... Oh no, I was going to show you something else we did. So, over here, I did just fill up the planter boxes here. They don't look that great yet. But I put geraniums in here.